Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to get trade-in fee rebate voucher on Binance. Binance and its partners distribute vouchers during advertising campaigns, promotions and referral programs. Just check the news or press center on Binance's website for the latest campaigns. And follow Binance's official accounts on social media for updates on promotions. You can also use referral links to participate in the Referral Lite program for potential voucher rewards. Standard referral does not use vouchers but might offer bonuses. So, after registering a Binance account, complete specific actions such as verifying your identity, making your first deposit, and confirming your email. These steps may reward you with vouchers for trade-in fee rebates or other benefits. And that's it guys. If you have a voucher, just head to your bonus center and you can then claim it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.